Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You need admin access and a saved workspace. Once that's set, open Activity Monitor in Applications Utilities. Search for Automator to reveal active processes and any helper items. Click the process, then choose Quit to stop a normal workflow. If it ignores that, use Force Quit. You're doing this to halt runaway or looping Automator actions quickly once the process stops. Note any lingering helper names so you can remove persistent launchers in the next step. Once the process is stopped, make sure Automator won't restart automatically. Open System Settings and remove Automator-related items from login items. That prevents user session relaunch. Next, inspect Launch Agents and Launch Daemons folders for Automator or Workflow plist files. These can auto-start at boot or login. If you find one, unload it with sudo launchtil bootout or sudo launchtil unload, then move the plist to a backup folder. Doing this prevents cron-like restarts and helps isolate the offending workflow. To finish, locate and remove the specific Automator workflow or app that caused the issue. Delete it from /library/services or wherever it lives, or disable the app. Reboot normally. If Automator still restarts, boot into safe mode to isolate third-party launchers and test there. Make sure to check console logs for Automator error messages or plist names you missed. Those log strings help target the stubborn item. If you need, document the exact error before seeking more help so you can fix it faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.